Now I will show you how to generate XML simulation files in the background as the Sumo simulation is running. Okay, so now we are going to this website. Okay, so this is the website you can go to, right? You can read about all these output um, or output files which you can generate. So now I will show you the basics of generating these files. So first of all, you open your this folder containing simulation files and open up this main file. Okay, so this is what we've got here. Okay, and we just need to add in one tag block. Okay, so we just need to add in these. Okay, these are the necessary files I think which will be significant for your research. Okay, so we just need to add these few types of output files from the simulation. Okay, the simulation will generate all these files relating to the net state. That means everything related to the roads. This is everything related to the vehicle roads. This is the FCD output files of the vehicles. Okay, and lane change information, and the queue information, and statistics output. Alright, so all these can be found, the information for all these can be found in here. Okay, so FCD it's like this. Okay, FCD of course you have other. Okay, we've got lane change there. Okay, and the trajectories actually these are not needed, so a few are not needed. Okay, we mainly for general for our research work we mostly will be using all this, right? And okay, so save this. After saving, you can go to launch. You just launch this. Okay, let's launch this. Okay, and then we run. And if you open the folder, you will see that the files have been generated. Right now it is populating. Okay. Okay, so now that's the end of the simulation. Close, and then we close this. Okay, and then we update this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the files. Right, so in XML form, it is difficult to see, right? Therefore, you need to convert XML into CSV, right? So let's open the terminal. This is our folder here. Okay, so now the command XML to CSV. Okay, so dot py, and then you can actually you don't need py. Okay, let's try. And then let's say you want to convert this file fcd underscore out file dot xml. So you type fcd underscore .xml. Okay. Okay, it says it doesn't recognize. Okay, just put .py. Okay, it works. Okay, so now for the next one, we are going to get this lane change out file. Okay, done. And then the next one, we need the net state out file. Okay, and then the next one is queue out file. Okay, queue out file, queue score out file. Okay, and then stats. Okay, so now we have the stats, statistics, and the last one is vehicle route. Okay, vehicle route. Oh, sorry. This one. Okay, so it's done. So let us now try to open this. Okay, I think we cannot open it this way. Let me see. No, okay, we can't open it this way. So there's a way to open this Excel. And then you open a blank workbook. Okay, and then you go to data. And then you use this from text CSV. Okay, so now you open this, copy the link here and go back there. Click this one from CSV, text or CSV. Okay, you have that, right? You have all this. So let's see, we want to see lane change. Okay, good. So yeah, so it's now nicely laid out for you. Nicely laid out on all the data. Change type, change to, change speed. Okay, lane change. Change from direction change. Okay, I don't know what this means. Change from here to here to here. Okay, this is vehicle 2. Okay, if you just select vehicle 2, and you will see that it changes. This vehicle 2 changes from lane 2 to lane 1 and then lane 0. Oh, sorry, this is another road, right? Okay, this is lane 2, lane 1, and change to 0. So, and then it goes to lane 1 of this road, then change again, change to another road. Okay, and then it goes to this road. Okay, dash 1. Okay, this is probably a turn. Okay, 1 to -1. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it's quite I think it's quite easy to decipher all this. Hello, we will now manually generate sumo simulation files. This is how we do so. First we go to this website and we download JOSM setup.execute. This is the file to install. Okay, so after installation, you can click okay, you go into this software, type GOSM and launch the software. you will see this dialog box. This map is under Sleepy Map tab. Okay, this is the bounding box tab. So these are the boundaries in GPS coordinates that tallies with this box. Okay, so now we choose the area of Raffles Place and Marina South. The coordinates are this one. Okay, max latitude is this one. This one is the minimum lawn is this one. Okay, and max lawn is this one here. And the minimum latitude is this one. Okay, this is the south minimum latitude, maximum latitude. This is the minimum longitude, maximum longitude. Right, so we click here, bounding box. So and then we click download, and it will download the map. Okay, now this is done. We save this as an OSM file. So I have created a folder for our project manual sumo. So I just save in as Raffles and save. Right, so in this folder, you will see Raffles.osm. Okay, so now we need another we need to find another type map, okay, in order to do generation of the sumo simulation. We need to look for this file called OSM polyconvert type. Okay, this is a mapping file in order to generate the is the shapes of the buildings and all that. Okay, so we copy this from here in the sumo installation directory under data and type map, and you copy this into your sumo folder, this simulation folder, like this. Okay, copy this into your project folder. Okay, this is our project folder, like this. Yeah, okay, after that you just close the map, and then you open your terminal and go into your project folder. Alright, here we are inside now. So we are going to get the commands from here, this document. Right, this is the website of Ricardo Goodwin. So okay, on his website, right, it is rather useful to go through this. This is the traffic light edition. Okay, the editing of traffic lights is all here. It shows you how to access and edit the traffic signals and the paths. Okay, but what we are going to do with this website is we are going to go into this link. Okay, not this. I think not this. It is okay, I think I have saved one document here. Okay, this is the one. Right. So this is the document. There is a link to this document in my previous video. Okay, maybe you can go to my previous video and scroll to the end of the video. You will see the link to this PDF. Okay, now we go to the terminal, and we do this. We are going to do some the first generation is to generate the map, the net file. Okay, net convert. Yes, this is the one, net convert osm.net. Okay, so let us do this. Okay, I have already prepared one here. Okay, this is the one, the first one. So we'll just paste it in. Right, okay, net convert. You want to convert the OSM files we generated from JOSM into a net file. Okay, so we need to specify left hand because Singapore is left hand drive. Okay, the roads are left handed. Okay, not the car left hand, is the road left hand. Okay, so you just enter. Just ignore these warnings, it's okay. And after that, let's go to the next command, polyconvert. So as you can see, the polyconvert will involve the assistance of this type file we added just now, right? OSM polyconvert. Okay, this is to convert the net file and the OSM file. Okay, it uses the OSM file and the net file to generate the poly file. Okay, it gives you the shapes of the buildings, the lakes, the rivers, okay, or other facilities. So we will just copy this and we paste onto the terminal. Okay, so if you want to read the details about this command polyconvert, you can go to here. You can just find it, polyconvert. You can just find here. Right. Okay, this is the command, and then these are the sub commands. Right, so now we can enter. Okay, this is done, right? Then the next step, we go to random trips. Right, okay, now this random trips is to generate the trips of the cars. Okay, so we copy this and then we paste onto this. So if you want to know more about these random trips, you can also find from here. You can also go to this document and find random trips. Yeah, this is the command, right? So it will tell you what all this means. Okay, you are going to generate the route. Okay, the 5000 is means okay. This command will generate a root file for the topology network indicated by the name net. Okay, it generates a root from this net. Okay, the root is random. Okay, with the name root XML with trip starting since the time of 0 seconds up to 5000 seconds. So this is the time. Alright, and then let's see, we will just okay, let's see, I think we should put 1000. I think we should put 500. Okay, this will be otherwise the simulation will run very fast and then it will end before we can see it properly. So we just enter. Okay, we specify 500 just now. This also means that 500 vehicles are generated. Okay, you can see it from here, this file trips XML. If you open up, you'll find that we have vehicles generated from vehicle 0 to vehicle 499. Alright, okay, so if you go back to the folder, you can see this. Okay, all the things are generated, right? Okay, so the last step is to generate the OSM config. The OSM config file, you can copy from the previous the folder from the previous tutorial. Okay, so you see this, right? This is the main file, OSM config, right? Copy this, and then you put here, and then you do some editing. So for this file, you just change to reference. Okay, reference. Now it becomes reference SUMO CFG. So inside you can just do some editing. So we will change to reference. We will change to root. Okay, we change to these are the root, ROUT, reference root poly, reference ROU XML. Okay, so it's this one, reference rule XML, and then we need to have reference poly, the shapes. Okay, now this is done. Okay, for this view, I don't think it is needed, so we just do away with this. Okay, so now it's done. Save. So after saving, you can try running this. Double click this. Yeah, okay, this is Raffles Place, and then we go to real world. Okay, it looks nicer, right? And then we just click. Okay, put some delay to see it better. Okay, so now we can run.